Hey everyone, in this video guys I'm going to be showing you how you can create a variable fillet in the Generative Shape Design workbench of CATIA. Okay?
Hey everyone, do not forget to hit that subscribe button to join the Solving Engineer community, okay? And now, let's get started.
Okay, so the first thing that you need to do here is to go to the Start, then Shape, then you go and click on the Generative Shape Design workbench. You check the Enable Every Design, then the Create a Geometrical Set option, then you click on OK. Next, you select the XY plane, then you click on Sketch. Now, I'm gonna double click on the line command. I'm gonna add the first line here, like this, and the second line like this. Then I'm gonna click on the line command again. I'm gonna add a constraint or dimension of 100 millimeter here and 50 millimeter here. Okay, then I'm gonna exit the workbench. Now I'm gonna go and click on the extrude command, and I'm gonna select the sketch. I'm gonna add 50 millimeter here, then check the mirrored extent option, then you click on OK. Now I'm gonna hide the sketch one, then I'm gonna go to Insert, Operations, then I'm gonna go and use the variable fillet option. I'm gonna select this edge, then right click here on the points field, then I'm gonna choose the create point option. I'm gonna click here to add the third point, then click on OK. For the first value, I'm gonna add here, instead of 5 millimeter, 3 millimeter as a radius. For the second one, I'm gonna add 7 millimeter, and for the last one, I'm gonna add 12 millimeter. Then I'm gonna click on OK. So as you can see here on the screen, this is how you can create a variable fillet in the Generative Shape Design workbench of CATIA. Thank you guys for watching. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button to catch you next time on the Solving Engineer Business channel. Thanks for watching.